DSK Company. Tolyaty is a large industrial center in the Middle Volga region, which is situated in the central part of Russia, where navigable, automobile and railway federal ways are crossed. The basic local economic mainstay of the city is Avtovaz. DSK, situated in close proximity to it, was founded in 1994. Now a company is positioned in an auto components manufacturing market as a large dynamically developing plant having high scientific, technical and industrial potential.
The staff.
The success of any company mainly depends on well-coordinated and qualified work of its personnel. Nowadays there are more than 650 employees working for DSK Company. The management pays special attention to the corporate atmosphere, provides personnel with awareness of the importance their activity and contribution to the achievement of DSK strategic purposes.
Management system.
To provide vehicle with original equipment, we manufacture important components according to world quality standards, where special attention is paid to the quality of the produced goods. Quality management system, which corresponds to ISO TS 16949 international standard, is implemented and applied to the automobile components production activities. It is confirmed by the certificate auditor of Hessen. DSK Company has implemented the Environment Management System NS ISO 14001 that allows us to track and reduce negative manufacturing influence on the environment. Getting the Q1 status as an excellent supplier from Ford is considered to be one of the highest DSK achievements. DSK studies experience of world OEMs such as Ford Motor and General Motors Corporation. For example, one of the most important principles of our work is cost saving and process optimization. To provide this, lean manufacturing system is implemented in the company. It's a system of simple and logical decisions. Lean manufacturing system includes such methods as workplace visualization. The second method is rapid readjustment. We also introduced a system of proposals which improves our organization not only in the field of manufacturing but in all spheres of organization activity. Besides all mentioned above, lean manufacturing also includes such methods as general care of the equipment and just-in-time delivery system. All this allows us to satisfy consumer requirements for making competitive products in accordance with world standards. Nowadays it is possible to single out two basic directions of production development: production of interior parts and fuel system units.
Molded carpeting goods production.
Molded carpeting goods production is one of the first activities that has been developing since 1996. At that time all production was made only for Lada vehicles. Today our company also produces goods for such models as Chevrolet Neva, Ford Focus and Hyundai Accent. The group of carpeting goods includes floor carpets, arch wheel trims, jug carpets and the boot compartment backside trims. The non-woven needle-punched material made out of polypropylene and polyester painted fiber is used to produce these goods. Carpeting goods workshop is equipped with wide range of various molded lines, cutting systems, presses and robotized complexes which are used to produce high-quality goods in accordance with the world standards. Fairly new kind of carpet production activity is sound insulation production for the VAZ 2170. To create insulation component, the material, ultralight, is used. Applied technology gives us an opportunity to make components with improved insulation properties and to reduce material consumption in comparison with the products of other suppliers. We supply sound insulation to Avtovaz. Its quality exceeds everything that is now produced by our competitors. It's lighter and we have less claims from the plant during installation into the vehicle. Technological opportunities and vast experience allow us to produce parts with various designs, including floor carpets with sound insulation AC. The robotized complex of Swedish company Motorman is used to meet consumer requirements. With purchasing of new water jet equipment, we changed from manual labor to automatic cutting. That gives us an opportunity to reduce labor intensiveness and of course to decrease prime cost. Management material system is implemented and is being constantly improved. Taking into account shipment orders that enter electronic exchange information system, we form planned production and delivery schedule. We built a gravitation warehouse where every good has its own appointed position. That is done to avoid unnecessary conveyances and expenses, to reduce above-level stocks and to implement the FIFO principle. The basic material supplier for carpeting production is Nomatex.
Fuel tanks and filling pipes production.
Workshop 3. DSK produce plastic blow-molded fuel tanks and metal fuel tanks, filling pipes, shields and other different assembly parts as initial for all Avtovaz models. The most perspective technology for plastic fuel tank production is plastic blow-molding technology. After assembly completed, fuel tanks go through 100% leakage test control. Finished goods meet all the requirements of DSK basic consumers such as Ford, GM Avtovaz, and Avtovaz.
Enhancement and future prospect.
DSK is a modern dynamically developing company. To expand the range of high-tech products, we have implemented the product of multi-layered plastic fuel tank for the vehicles Ford Focus 2 and Lada Cleaner. Firstly, these goods are much cheaper than the metal fuel tanks. Secondly, it's a new technology in Russia. This is a new step in the quality of the product. While designing plastic fuel tank, we conducted tests with our partners in product engineering, virtual testing, tooling design. Our concept is to focus on two commodities, vehicle interior and fuel tanks. To realize this project, DSK has bought and installed Cotex machine in bow equipment. The capacity of new equipment is capable of making about 400,000 plastic fuel tanks per year. To control the quality of output products, there is a checkout test laboratory. Its function is to control tests of all raw materials used during plastic fuel tank production and finished goods. To ensure professional quality and monitoring, all personnel of the laboratory has been trained in Germany. Now the laboratory is certified according to the state standard and is ready to work.
DSK Company aim is to work operatively and flexibly, forcing consumer needs in nearest future.
DSK Company.